Hello, my name is Ben Vetter. I'm the founder of the Destination Resilience Learning Platform. We have built a 12-month long learning program which is process-driven to strengthen your company's ability to resist cyber threats. This program has been built with all aspects of your business and to make sure that your processes are ready for any kind of cyber attacks. The 12 workshop modules begin with introduction into our holistic resilience concept. We will build and work with your future cyber crisis management team. Finally, after the workshop series, you will have your own running cyber crisis management plan and be prepared to cyber attacks and crises in general. This is a very complete program for all kinds of companies, but mainly for companies which already have resources and now want to align these and make it ready for the rising risk in the age of digitalization. Resilience is important for individuals and companies same time. This first workshop will help you to identify the key success factors for your business. We will analyze the aspects of individual and corporate resilience and break it down to cyber. We will discuss vectors of attack and case studies from multinational companies. What are the key success factors of your business in terms of cyber? We will generate your scorecard key figures of cyber resilience on basis of the resilience cycle. A perfect guide for the following workshops. Team building in advance of any crisis is critical. The participants will work together and interact in a protected environment. They will be enabled to enroll your company's cyber crisis management plan step by step. By the end of workshop 1, you will have the basic understanding of cyber crisis and risks, created first critical key figures for your company. Learn from international case studies and have answers for questions around the cyber crisis management board. Do you already have a crisis management prepared room? Who will have access and who will be an external partner? All necessary aspects will be discussed and gathered to be remembered when needed in times of company stress. This makes your life more stressless. We are looking forward to welcoming you and your team to work together with us for the next 12 months to make your company resilient.